Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Just wanted to show you around the store. We've been moving around a ton of stuff, and one of the things that we've been fighting for is space. So as we make more space, we're able to set up more displays and bring in more pressure washers and equipment. Let me quickly show you what we got here. We have a bunch of pressure washers, 8s, 10s, 5.5s, cart mounted. We have a skid in progress there. We have pressure washer hose. We have our big 1,600 gallon bleach tank back there. We have another ultimate mini skid here that is about done, looks like. So this one will be going out, I believe, this week or next week. But a really nice layout. This has been one of our most popular layouts here. We have hot boxes. We have Tucker systems. A bunch of stuff on the back here. Let's take a look. See what we got. I know we got a bunch of apple suds and soaps in. So back here we have all of our hose reels and hoses, soft wash hose, more machines. We even have the IGX 390 down there. Looks like we have a ton of 2-wire, some 1-wire. We have some pumps here, soft wash hose like there, like I said. Over here we have a couple more skids in progress. This one here, this is going to be a really cool one once this gets finished up. But kind of a couple little bonuses there that we're not really ready to talk about. But let's take a look in the store. That's probably where we've changed the most amount of stuff. Before we walk in there, let's take a look at this. This is our surface cleaner wall. Looks really good. Usually as fast as we put them on here, we sell them out. So Whisper Wash, BE, a lot of different options here. We have some fittings on the wall. We have our windows tinted now. Super happy about this, makes it look really clean. We have pulls, water-fed pulls, micro pulls. We have our water-fed pull brushes here. We have a solar one with a bunch of different ones down below. We have meg nozzles all organized there in the bins by size. Going on over here, we have a ton of banjo fittings, and everything is organized by sizes and elbows, and just about every banjo fitting that you can think of we have here. Hundreds of them, it looks like. Bulkheads there at the bottom. So pretty much everything to get you going. Going on over to the wall here, we have our special edition Whisper Wash, all of our wands, some whip lines there. This has been super popular here, our garden hose whip line. That reduces the kink when you're hooking up your hoses to the garden hose reel. A bunch of pumps there, a bunch of unloaders, some maintenance items, brand new lithium battery over there that we just started bringing in. And then going on over to the top here, a bunch of soap tanks, soap tank inserts. These are really cool. These fit our 100-gallon slim tanks there. Lids, graffiti cleaners, specialty stain cleaners, F9, EBC, just a ton of stuff here. So if you're looking for supplies here locally in the Portland area, we should pretty much have you covered. All of the mixers, valves, pressure switches, on-off switches, stuff to build soft wash systems. We even have the blocks here. We have black ones, we have clear ones, a bunch of valves down here, ball valve swivels, other ball valves, X-jets. Yeah, just about everything that you could think of, we have. All the stainless steel couplers, O-rings, and then all the guns here, soft wash guns, assembled and non-assembled, J-rods, about every nozzle or every size turbo nozzle you can think of there we have. Roof brush, short 6-inch stainless steel wands, assembled guns, M5s, sharpshooters, a ton of different guns. If you have not had the chance to stop by our store here in South Portland area, Oregon City to be exact, stop by. I'll put our address, our phone number, an email to me if you have questions and you're looking for things. I'm happy to help you. Stop by our store and we'll see you soon.